Alright guys, I'm back with another repo video, and before we get into this video guys, let me state this. This is a reaction video. I'm not clowning anybody in this video. This could happen to any one of us. There's some people that think that I'm making fun of people who has their cars repossessed. This is a reaction video. This is what you do in a reaction video. I would never look down on somebody unless I'm helping them up. So let's get into this video.
As far as your eyes can see, all of these are a manifestation of bad financial decisions, over leveraging credit and budget. And unfortunately, it ends up in a lot like this, where it's going to be sold at auction, cycle back into the car market at a fraction of the cost.
I was giving you a call to see if you were still interested in the Hellcat Charger.
Yeah, I'm interested in the Hellcat.
Do you know what your score is roughly?
Around 450.
What was that?
Come on.
It was around 450.
See, that's the issue right there. Why would you be trying to buy a $100,000 car with a 4-something credit score? That's the issue right there. And these banks will loan you the money, especially if you got a large down payment. They do not care. They will still finance you that car.
450.
Yes.
Okay. Did you have a lot of money down?
I have $2,000 down right now.
2,000?
Yes.
They don't care.
Gotcha. Have you considered maybe a GT Charger?
No, I really want the Hellcat, man. V8.
2025 Toyota Camry, Repo, Suburbans, Audis, Toyotas, Ram 3500s, Jeeps, a bunch of luxury cars.
Yeah.
2024 Kia Telluride with only 16,000 miles repoed.
Wow.
Dealer charged $3,000 for a thorough inspection and reconditioning fee and $1,000 for interior protection, which is an additional $4,000 on an already inflated MSRP of $47,380.
See, that's what's been getting people right there. You buy these cars, these dealerships, and putting all these extra markup crap on these cars, and people are buying them. And not only are they buying them, they're financing this extra stuff, which is making the out-the-door price higher, and also their payment higher, and also a high car note because a lot of people credit not right. So the dealerships is getting over all the way around. It's sad, man. It's sad.
Mercedes still has a temp tag on it and got repoed.
Wow, that's a new Mercedes.
2019 Mercedes C300. Definitely seen better days.
That's
Hot
terrible.
sauce and duck sauce all up in here. 2024 Hyundai repoed. 2024 Hyundai repoed.
God.
Toyota Camry repo.
It's a new car.
You need to get out. I'm giving you an order right now. You need to get out.
Bust the window, take me to jail, man. She's not taking my car because I was in here and she was supposed to leave me.
Hold on.
We're going to figure out.
He'd rather go to jail than let them just take his car. You can even potentially get the car back even if they do repo the car. So it's not worth all this back and forth, and you got the police involved. It's not worth it, man. Just get a car, bro. It's not that serious.
You got to step out. I promise you we'll figure it out. Why y'all aggressive? He started off aggressive. I know how OPD cops are. Y'all start off aggressive because she's a white woman and I'm black. So, let's not
What that got to do with anything, bro?
Yeah, picture this one, man. She called the cops on me, man. And she white. And she had my car lifted up. She not supposed to touch my car while I'm in here. I'm telling you right now, you gotta step out. But you got the laws of this shit. I'm telling you right now,
That's what we need to sort out.
We're going to sort it out.
But we know the law.
We are going to sort it out.
You sitting in there is not going to help. Okay?
You said, just be calm, bro.
Hey, look.
And I'm coming here.
Let me talk to you, okay? All right,
It's a white lady, I'm black. Don't come at me like that, man.
Hey, look.
Red, black, like this.
Get out. Yeah, get out right now. I already know all PD moves, man.
So look, all right, so obviously, you got your car in here, okay?
I was in it when you put it in.
All right, guys, leave it in the comments. Are they supposed to tow your car while you in it? I'm assuming you're not supposed to do that. That seems a little dangerous if you ask me. But the thing about it is this. You always see people chasing behind their cars trying to get in the car once the car's already up. So I'm just kind of confused on that. Leave it in the comments. I'm pretty sure some of y'all are tow truck drivers.
Okay. That's why she did it before y'all came.
But look, so over here.
Right. That's why she did it.
I have the paperwork, and there was 2 witnesses that saw me. They were parked there. I asked them to move their car, and then I backed in, strapped it down, put up in the air. When I opened the door and set the alarm off, he came running in the room. He shoved me over the equipment. The car was low enough, so when I stepped back, he hit me, and I...
Wow. Hold on. So now he got an assault charge along with getting his car repoed, and that's a female. Why That's unbelievable, bro. Come on, man. Car not
it up again. But at that point, the car was already tied down. She already has custody of his car. It's the way it works, all right? So I don't know.
So that's the car's on the ground, bro. It's on the ground. I saw it, bro.
Sorry? Did they confirm what I said?
I mean, well, yeah, they said that you're possession of this game.
Bro, not having it. They're like, y'all not taking my car, man.
That's fine. But right now, at this moment, we're going to do this as simple as possible, right? She told me one thing, you say one thing, then I'll solve it. So at this point, we're going to try to... So that's a different thing, all right? If that's
when he had pushed you.
When I went, I was on this side. He was on this side, and he went. I don't know if you saw the video. You could see me go backwards.
Okay, you went backwards, and what did you end up hitting when you went back?
I just went back and like hit the back of the car.
His car.
Yeah, his car. Yeah, because we were in between the two cars. I was on that side. He was on this side.
It's not the scratch that he
no, when they first attached it, she lifted up the person. The car's already in her possession. I'm telling you, I cannot force her to I can't force her to
it's a
the
wrap.
car. That's the way it works.
Stop backing this motherfucker up right now. I'm just gonna back it up. I ain't go to jail for destruction of her property.
It's not working.
It's not working. It's not working. It's gonna cause more issues than need be.
Right, it ain't working, man. It's tripping. You let him take that gun. You can even get it back later.
I'm gonna smash it.
That battery's still threatening.
She said she had it in the air, but if it's on the ground, you're supposed to take the person's car on the ground.
Hey, that's the first thing I did when I got here. All right, thank you.
Crazy, man.
Got my shit.
Get on out. It ain't worth it, bro. Just get up, Slim.
I want to follow.
Want to just lower down a little bit?
Attempted assault too.
I can if he's willing to surrender the keys. If he's willing to surrender the keys, then I'll lower it.
Lady, I'm not giving you this shit. So get out of here. Surrender your ass. That's what you need to do. Surrender your ass.
Oh, wow.
That'll be fun.
This man, wow, Slim. Oh, my God, bro. Oh, man, they got the 300. Oh, man. Now, that's crazy. They only had wheels on it. He probably took the wheels off that joint, hoping they wouldn't tow it. That's crazy. Wow. I ain't never seen nothing like that before in my life. But there you have it, guys. Another repo video. Man, it's getting crazy out here. They repoing brand new cars. It seems like if you miss one payment now, they're going to take your car. So, guys, we got to be careful, man. We're financing these cars. Like, anybody can get it. As you can see, Toyotas, Mercedes, it don't matter now. It don't matter. So, hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.